What it is, guys, so today we'll be doing the watercolor method. I'm going to show you step by step what I did to achieve this look, so just keep watching. The colors I used to achieve this look are Crimson from Kiss and Truly Red and Ruby Red from Adore. First things first, we're going to do is use our Got To Be Glue spray to spray a layer to protect our lace and our knots. So we're going to spray that all over the frontal and the lace that's going to be seen when you're installing your wig. And then we're going to blow dry that, and then after that's dry, we're going to come and apply another layer. You can do this up to 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 layers, and that'll help you prevent your lace from being stained by the dye. You gotta feel me. So today we have a 26-inch 13x4 frontal wig. I did not make this wig this time. Usually I would, but I did not. So I have the little leftover wefts from my other wigs, and I like to use those when I'm coloring hair to test the dyes onto them so I know if I like it or not. So I did not have gloves. Yes, it got ghetto. My nails are white, and I could not risk messing up my nails, so that's what we do. I gotta make you see this is wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Wherever you go, just wanna be your girl. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Wherever you go, just wanna be your girl. So here I'm using my first testing strip, and I noticed that the color was a little bit too, like, it was hinting orange, and I wanted that deep cherry bomb fire red, so I went back in and kept coloring. Here I pretty much squeezed most of the kiss out, so you can say that I used basically the whole bottle without diluting it. I wonder if you even notice me. So by now, my testing strip of hair was still giving orange, still wasn't giving me that fiery deep red I wanted, so I had to go back in and dump that whole bottle of the Adore Ruby Red so I can try to achieve the color that I really want. I do want to mention that if your wig does have like brassy or very yellow streaks in it, you might want to use some purple shampoo to help lift that color out. You can watch a video on that. I did not have a video out with that, so just do that so that your colors are all picking up the same, because that's another reason why watercolor method sometimes comes out patchy. You can see, due to the water being very pigmented, the colors did pick up very quickly. You do also want to let the hair come in and out of the water. Make sure that all those strands of hairs are getting that color into it. You could take a comb and run it through it, help comb the product through. Also, if you have like little streaks or things that did not catch it, you can just move the wig around. Also, from submerge the wig in the water, just let it sit there and soak up all that good up color. let it marinate, guys.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this.
This is the reason why I'm into the purple shampoo with the brassy tones. Just a couple of streaks look like this, but also my water did become cold, so I reboiled it and I dipped my hair over again, and everything just went swell after that. Please remember, guys, to use cold water when washing your wig, because you do not want that dye to come out, and that would be good. Here's our end result, our cherry fire red hair. I love it so much. I couldn't wait to put the wig on. I look crazy in the background. I just finished blow drying it, and now we're gonna go in and flat iron. BRB, babes. I don't know about y'all, respectfully, she's giving me all the life, all the body, all of that, just all of that. Look at that color. Are you serious? Like, stop playing with me. I did not record the installation of this wig, but I do have some clips. I was very sleep deprived in these videos because I was getting ready for my trip. If you guys are interested in that video, go tune into that. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and later, babies.